Hi, Georgia. Sorry, I'm really busy, and it got away from me. But I've got just a little piece of chain here. Your chain's a little bigger, so it'll be a little easier. But you just take this loop right here, and you see, if you look at it, it's in a loop, but it's got a seam right here. This is where the whole piece comes around. It comes together right here, in the top of the middle. I hope you can see this. But what you do is you just take a small pair of pliers like this, and you get another little small pair and grab it like that on each side of the center seam, and then just give it a little twist this way, just like this. Hope you can see that. And then this would come right off. And you got this little loop. You didn't open the loop, you just twisted it. Okay, so then you put that on and scooch it over to that pair of pliers, and then hook on your piece that that fell off, and then you can just take one pair of pliers. You should be able to just turn that right back around and close that. And see, then you're back to good, and it's all closed up. And then your little tail piece, your little pull pieces on there. It might be a little bit out of line, but you know, I'll make them perfect, but you don't have to. I straighten them up like this, you know, because I'm a freak. Let's see, there you go. It's that easy, but if you can't do it, you be sure you give me a call, and I'll come out there and help you. All right? God bless you. Thank you.